Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see, I'm actually on a step index chart, but I'm not going to be taking any trades. I'm just going to be explaining the reason why people actually people actually take so much losses when it comes to trading, why people will always get so much losses and why people will always get so much profit. See guys, there's something about trading, which brokers used to get traders to take so much money from them. Is one thing. It's just one thing, guys. There's no other thing. It's just one thing, and that thing is what is actually what an invasion of your mind with fear. With fear, guys, with fear. That's just it. With fear. There's something is this. Look at something, guys. Now I can just come now and calculate. Okay, I can just come now and calculate. Let me say I caught this trade from this spot. Okay, now I saw this trade already, right? I saw this trade already. I already drew this stuff like this, right? I drew this stuff like this. Good. Now I know already that this guy has come. It has moved. It hits the spot. It bounced up. Right. Good. Now it got to this spot. Two things can occur again because this is the third. What they call it now. This is the third point. Now it's about to hit. Right. I know that from my third point, something is about to happen. It's either it breaks down or what, it goes up. How do I know where it closes? Right. Good. Now in such a way that this guy came, it closes below. I already know that, hey, this guy is going to drop down for us. It's going to drop down for us. But because I'm afraid, because I'm scared, I will run away from this trade. I will just run. No. What if the trade is wrong? What if it's wrong? I will just run, right? I will just run. No, you just run away from how many hours of trade now? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times 4. That's what 4 times 4. That's 16 hours. Because I'm actually looking at what? I'm actually looking at my 4 hours time frame. Imagine the pips you would have picked. But then you ran away because you were scared, or probably you took the trade, probably you took the sell at the spot, When it got to this spot, you ran away. You knew it definitely that it's going to drop down like this, but you ran away. Why? Because you were okay. I think the profit is enough now. So you ran away from the trade. Now that is just fear, or probably you took the trade at this spot. But then it was going up. It came up to as it was going up to this thing. You're like, no, this trade is bad. This trade is so bad. No. Look at red. And then you left the trade on red. You left it. Because see, guys, look at this thing. Trading is a risk, okay? I always tell everyone that, see, trading is a risk. No, I've doubled and tripled people's accounts in a day. But before I do that, I tell them something that, guy, trading is a risk. I always tell them. But then the account can be tripled in just like in just like 2 hours or 1 hour. I can triple and I can quadruple it. But that does not mean that it's not possible to lose also, okay? So what's the summary? The summary to kill fear is this. The summary to kill fear is never use any cash that you can lose to trade on Forex, okay? Never use. Because see, guys, you can just calculate the markets. That's why I always tell people that, see, invest in knowledge. Just invest in knowledge. It's either you are investing your time, you are practicing all the time to actually understand how trading works, okay? To actually understand how trading works, or you invest your money, you pay to any person, like a person who understands trading. I don't know who the person is, any person, so long that person understands trading, you just pay to that person and learn something from that person. Because see, guys, no, 2 things I just explained. One, something that can help you kill that fear. One is invest your time. you don't even have to invest money in learning. No, if you can invest your time, that would be so great. Now, if you have the money to make things go faster, then invest by paying to someone. I don't know if you know any person who is so good. I just pay to that person and learn. Just learn. That will kill fear, because there are some rules of trading that are just unbreakable. Even the brokers can't break them. There are some things that will happen in chat, because look at this thing, guys. Look at what I was just showing you. Okay, look at what I was just showing you. This guy came, hit the spot, boom, came back, hit the spot again, boom. Now, immediately as it was coming back again, I knew two things were about to happen, because this is the third point. It's either it just comes, hits the spot and continue going up, or it closes below it. And I saw it close below it, meaning it's going to drop for at least 8 hours. It will just be dropping at least 8 hours. It will just be dropping. So I will just simply come here and place my TP around this spot. Because I know it will drop for at least 8 hours, because it just crossed the third point. Now I know, but if I don't know, I will be so scared when it retraced at this spot at first. I will be so scared. What's about to happen? Let me leave. But because I know it will actually move for so long, I will just hold the trade and go and sleep. And then it will move and hit my what? And hit my TP. So that's what I'm telling you guys. When you calculate a trade and you are sure of your analysis, you are sure that, you are sure that, hey, what I calculated is correct. Then just follow that. Just relax. So long you have enough capital to hold it, just relax. Don't be stressing yourself and be thinking, hey, what if? No, just relax. But make sure you analyze properly and accurately. Okay, so long your analysis is accurate, just go there and place your place your take profit and your stop loss, and place your stop loss. Or if you don't want to place stop loss, just be monitoring the trade, just be looking at the trade, and just place your take profit. Okay, now after placing these things, just relax. Even if it's retracing and going to red, if it's still within your setup, because you know that there are spots it will break and the entire trend will change, or the entire market will change before your eyes. But if it has not changed, if it's still within your calculation, it's still within your setup, then just relax, guys. Just relax, guys. See, I'm the one telling you this. I'm Mr. P. See, I'm the one telling you this particular stuff. Now, there are trades I will take that will retrace and they will go into red, but then when they go back into profit, each one can make over 100, each one can make over 500 sometimes, each one. But then they went into losses at first. Guys, what I'm telling you in summary is that, see, never use a capital that you can lose to trade forex. First of all, right? Never use such a capital, okay? Because any capital that you use that will hit you so much and it will look as if you lost all the money in the world, don't use such capital, okay? But if you know that, see, I can actually risk this particular amount of money, just put it and kill fear, okay? Just put it and kill fear. I tell you guys, see, all the accounts I manage, I always tell them at first that, see, this particular stuff, forex trading, is actually a risk, okay? But then they give the account, and immediately as I trade it, in less than 2-3 hours, the account has been tripled or quadrupled. It just depends on our agreement, what we actually agreed on. And they are like, hey, but you told me there's something just now. Hey, this account I'm like, hey, trading remains a risk, because you can still lose your money. Now, that's how you can keep fear from trading, guys. That's how you can keep fear. Just make sure that you don't have fear anywhere, anyhow. Just make sure there's no fear anywhere. Now, if you don't have fear, you can actually take some accurate trades, because you know what, guys? Now, there are so many people that have told me that, see, I actually saw this trade coming before, but I was scared, so I didn't go in. And so they will be like, Josich, I knew I would have just entered, and then it has gone up already. Maybe they said it will go on a buy, and then it has gone on a buy already. Now they are seeing a buy that occurred, and they are like, hey, Josich, I knew I would have just taken it. But then they would have just taken the trade. But then why didn't they? They were just afraid. So guys, that's the one thing you must kill out of trading. That's the one thing you must kill. You have to kill that word. You have to kill fear. You have to kill fear. You can see me, I upload live trades every time, every time, yeah, you can see me, I upload live trades. I've already calculated it. I know that even the broker itself cannot change that particular stuff. So I just take the trades because I know that, see, everything is well calculated. See, rules. Trading actually follows some rules, especially this broker deriv. Now they are actually what the algorithm. I know how the algorithm works. I actually know how the algorithm works. So when I see a chart when I see a trade happening, that trade has occurred maybe like a week ago. That exact thing. That's what I'm telling you guys. That's what I'm telling you. That exact thing that has happened before is happening again. So why will I be scared? I already understand this thing. So I just take the trade and just go and sleep, because I know it will just actually move until it what? Until it hits the particular spot that I'm waiting for. Just like that, guys. So the one thing you must kill, guys, it's fear. It's a buy for me, guys. Peace.